good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Look at your teeth, they kind of look white. Yours don't. Because mine aren't in the sun. Let's find some sun. Your teeth are not there. They look white now. Oh, see? Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I don't want, no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I don't want, no, I get a good feeling, yeah. So you ask us,
Polk.
why are we laying like this?
Oh, yeah, you asked us that. And we answer with, we don't know.
We don't know.
Really?
Oh, something happened to our skin.
I can't answer that.
We have a rare disease.
It's called clumpy skin.
That's so funny. But yes, we have been diagnosed with this. We think that we're about to turn into zombies, actually.
I think it's gonna happen.
Yeah, so beware.
Oh, look, she's already got a patch on her leg.
Yeah, it's spread.
Only to that one spot, though.
Yeah, but our faces, yeah. Do some cheek love. Cheek love?
Oh!
That was gross.
That was really gross.
Let's go start over. Tell them the phases with this.
All right,
skin.
so first you get this tingly feeling.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's on fire. It gets really, really, really warm and tingly.
Really,
like
really
needles are in your skin.
Ew.
And then it gets to the cool phase. So it feels really cold on your face, like
Which is good.
cold bananas.
Yeah.
And then it
Bananas.
Niners! Yeah, bananas! Niners! Anyways, and then it gets back to the tingly phase. Then it gets to the itchy phase. And right now we're at the nothing phase. We
Yeah,
can't
it's
feel
just like
anything.
Yeah.
Can't.
No feeling.
No feeling in our
At all.
faces. Nope.
Hey, look, I could change the color of the screen. Look, it's blue. Now it's
Hey,
red.
hey, our face look green now.
My dog's trying to eat our faces because he thinks it's bananas,
But it's really not.
it's not. Why would we put bananas on our faces?
Who puts bananas on their
Really?
faces?
That's weird. Whoever's doing that, stop. Okay.
Bye-bye!